Hi everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. It has been a while. I hope you've been well and everything's great with you. In this video, I'd like to share my completed journal. Of course, I made a journal myself. If you wanna look how it was before filled with journaling, you can see that in this video at the top right corner. In this journal, I worked with lots of Daphne's Diary magazine, Vintage Linen Printable, and Maggie Holmes products. And I shared quite a bit of pages journaling process, so I'll link all of them in the description box below. So let's see the inside. The first page is a vintage book page. The title is Chapter 2. And I added a texture page for subtle floral and a lace ribbon I dyed. And this photo frame is from November Printable. And actually this page flips out and there is the same lace ribbon but dyed in a different color. And I made a pocket here with a tea package. There's a movie ticket in it. And this is vellum I stamped on. You will see quite of stamped vellum in this journal because there was time I was experimenting with them. This is a Tulip journaling page that I share the process. And another Daphne Diary journaling page. They are movie tickets, I kept only the titles. And this is a train ticket and a washi tape cutter package. This is something I saw on YouTube. I'll try to find the video and link it below. Everything on this page is washi tapes. I used washi tapes only. It was new and fun. This is a postcard I got. Another page I played with texture paste and ink. This is my favorite page. It is very colorful and so much summer vibe. And actually, this page was introduced on Daphne's Diary Instagram. I am so proud of it. A celestial page. It was fun to work with glossy wrapping paper on the background. Another Daphne's Diary page. The theme was afternoon tea. A simple page. This is a museum in Lyon's old town, and this is a photo of the biggest square in Lyon. I love corns. I think it's my favorite food. And this is a pocket. Another page, yellow themes going on. Actually, behind this photo and the vintage linen, it is a pocket. A fabric flip up, and I journaled on this memo paper, and another memo paper in the envelope. I got this beautiful sticker from Happy Mail. I have a sister, so I journaled about her on the vintage linen. You know, how lucky I am to have a sister, things like that. And on this silk paper, I added a sealing wax. It was so fun. I definitely want to use sealing wax much more. This is a tiny little pocket with a tiny tag. I found this photo from a city magazine. This is Lyon on the first day of lockdown. I can't believe it has been already 2 years. This is the center of Lyon, one of the busiest areas, always full of cars and people. But as you can see in the photo, it is totally empty. So yeah, that's what I journaled about on the page. Another fabric flip up. This is from a chocolate package that we were gifted. I kept it here because it was so delicious. Actually, this is from the same chocolate package with this label. And I journaled on this vintage doily. This is my favorite doily. It is from September Digital Kit. On the background, I added washi tapes to make it look like a window. I love it. Another stamped vellum. This is the package of this punch. And this punch's package is here. You know, I like keeping pretty packages. I love the color of this page, green and white. On this page, I made the title with this label maker and added a floral die cut. Then did writing just on the whole page. This was a gift from my hubby. He made this pocket and the cards in it. It was adorable. As you can see, I made more titles with a label maker. More vellum sheets. And this is a package of mousse stamp set. I think they are a Taiwanese company. I did something fun on this page. The pattern was framed, so I cut floral papers the size and glued them into the frames, as if this is a wall full of floral paintings. I really love how it turned out. On this page, I muted the background with tracing paper and added a planner page. And this was another new thing I tried. First, on the background, I added these tiny pieces of washi tapes as if they were confetti. And then I filled the page with the journal cards. I think this is my version of Project Life. They are packages of mini ink sets I got. I'm trying to do more stamping. And this is the other side of the frame pattern. I did the same thing. On the last page, I muted the background with white ink and just did writing. On the back inside the cover, I added only this. It's a stamped image. La Rambla is one of the most famous streets in Barcelona, and I really enjoyed walking there when I visited Barcelona. So that was my completed junk journal. I hope you enjoyed seeing it. Completing one journal is always a great joy for me. Let me know what was your favorite page or style in this journal. I'd love to know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!